from the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for the debate.
Debate at 9, powered by Century Laminates, Citroën, Orient Electric and Amrita University.
A very good evening and warm welcome. On a day, Shuvendu Adhikari along with several rebel Trinamool MLAs joined the BJP in the presence of Amit Shah. Remember viewers, a joke started doing the rounds on social media. It said, don't pay heed to rumors because Didi is still with the TMC. Yes, for Mamata Banerjee, colloquially known as Didi in Bengal, the wound is deep, for she is facing the biggest rebellion in her entire political career. But she's a fighter, so she's decided to take this fight to Nandigram. But what will the BJP do? Has the BJP decided to field Shuvendu Adhikari from that seat, and that's going to be the biggest showdown this election season from Bengal? Yes, a very good evening. That is something that we will keep our focus on, and that's our first debate here tonight. The big Nandigram showdown. Even as we speak, the CEC is meeting in the national capital. Will the BJP declare his name? We do not know. The second debate is the big IT heat on Bollywood. The IT department also has come out with a statement. But then, what was the entire fuss about? The third big debate that happens tonight is a debate that has been on the traction for some time. Private quota trumps merit. Is this Manohar Lal Khattar's new Haryana? But before we get you that, this is a quick check of our headlines this Thursday night. The Prime Minister is chairing the BJP's Central Election Committee meeting to decide on the candidate list. Will it be Shuvendu versus Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram? Sources say Bengal Chief Minister will file her nominations on March the 11th. TMC Coordination Committee meets, final candidate list of the party to be announced tomorrow. Searches linked to Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu continue for the second straight day. Director and actor are questioned again. The Income Tax Department suspects huge suppression of income, investigates the alleged discrepancy to the tune of 300 crores. Industry leaders demanding a rollback of the law granting 75% reservation now in the private sector jobs in Haryana. So, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a big busy day for both sides, the BJP and the TMC, because they both now are strategizing on the candidates for the upcoming Bengal elections. But all eyes, as I said, are just on that one key state, the constituency of Nandigram in Bengal. Will it actually look at a fight of Mamata Banerjee versus a protege, Shuvendu Adhikari? And if that is, what really does that mean for both the sides? Which side has more at stake? We'll find out soon. We watch this entire story first out. A lot of reactions coming in on that big story as the BJP also right now meeting in the national capital, and then we are debating.
At 7:30 p.m., Prime Minister Narendra Modi entered the BJP headquarters. In back-to-back meetings through the day that culminated into the Central Election Committee meeting, the party deliberated on the list of candidates for 5 election-bound states. But all eyes are on one key battle, Nandigram.
जरूर लड़ेंगे, क्यों नहीं लड़ेंगे? इतना साल से लड़ते आ रहे हैं और आगे जाके भी लड़ेंगे. देख लीजिए ना क्या होता है.
Shuvendu Adhikari, ex-heir of Mamata Banerjee, who was part of the Nandigram agitation with Mamata, is a strong man in the region, almost considered invincible. Shuvendu Adhikari was the first to be present at JP Nadda's home this morning. and then at BJP headquarters just before the CEC meeting, triggering speculation on his role. And as the TMC Coordination Committee met this afternoon to possibly decide on the list of candidates that is to be announced on Friday, the buzz is Mamata Banerjee will file her nomination from Nandigram on March 11th, staying true to her declaration made on January 18th.
ভবানীপুরও আমি ভালো প্রার্থী দেব, ওটা আমার ভালোবাসার জায়গা। বক্সিকে বলবো নন্দীগ্রামে আমার নামটা যেন থাকে।
আমি লিখে রাখুন, আজকে সন্ধ্যাবেলা ঘড়িতে টাইম দিয়ে ডেট দিয়ে আপনারা লিখে রাখুন, 1.5 লাখ ভোটে যদি মাননীয়াকে হারাতে না পারি আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেব।
The aggressive campaigning from both sides has made it clear that it is a do-or-die election for both BJP and TMC. And the Nandigram challenge will definitely be a turning point and a nail-biting moment in the election. Let's debate.
So which side has more to lose? Which side has more to gain? This is a debate that is going to be very, very fascinating. I want to say good evening to Gaurav Bhatia, National Spokesperson of the BJP and Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court, along with Pathikrit Pine, who's a political analyst. Rakhi Mitra is also a political analyst. SK Datta also supporting her, and we'll find out from all of them whether this is going to be Shuvendu Adhikari and why is Gaurav, the BJP, is taking so long to name him. Om Prakash Mishra, spokesperson of the TMC, Professor Manojit Mandal, professor at the Jadavpur University, also sympathizer of the TMC. Shubhankar Bhattacharya is a political analyst, and so is Tausif Ahmed Khan, who's completing our panel. Rakhi already wants to respond, but Rakhi, before I do that, I want to take one quick question first to Gaurav Bhatia. You know, Gaurav, are you really scared? Are you really scared that this is Mamata Banerjee now taking on the fight from Nandigram? Why haven't you declared your candidate yet from Nandigram?
First of all, there is a process in Bharatiya Janata Party, and that process has to be followed. The Central Election Committee decides, the parliamentary board, who would be the candidate, and you know that deliberations are going on. The announcement would be made very soon. This is the democratic way that the Bharatiya Janata Party believes. And just compare it to the TMC.
You know, Gaurav, I was
feud.
expecting this. I was expecting this. So I have a counter question.
Good,
in principle, do you think Shuvendu Adhikari should be taking on Mamata Banerjee? Only yes or no?
No, if I could just complete my point, Deepika ji. First of all, in principle or, not in principle is not for me to comment as a national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is for the leadership of my party to decide. And this is the only way that we finalize our candidate list, and everything that we do adheres to the principles of our party, and it is in the interest of the country. But second, I would say that TMC and
You're dodging that question, Gaurav. Gaurav, you're dodging that question.
Because
You're dodging that question, and Om Prakash Mishra ji is smiling.
Deepika,
Okay, all right,
ji,
we'll wait, Gaurav. We'll wait.
Can I complete
We'll wait
my
till
point,
tomorrow or
please?
day after or the next day after. Okay,
Can I
but before
complete my
Rakhi
point,
comes in,
Deepika?
let me take an opening comment also from Om Prakash Mishra. Gaurav, Om Prakash Mishra ji,
Okay.
if literally Shuvendu Adhikari is no one, he is nobody. You know, Mishra ji, I want to know why is it that Mamata Banerjee has decided to contest from Nandigram? Why? You could have pitted anyone else from that seat. Why Mamata Banerjee?
Well, Mamata Banerjee is the supreme leader, chairperson, one of the most popular leader of the country, 7-time Lok Sabha MP, twice Chief Minister, and has a glorious record in public administration and in administrating public policy. Nandigram was her karma bhumi. She relates to Nandigram. It is a rural constituency in East Midnapur district. She expressed a desire to contest from Nandigram to our party president, state president, Sri Subroto Bokshi, member of parliament, and it has been accepted, acceded, and therefore we are going to announce our candidates tomorrow. But so far as Nandigram seat is concerned, our candidate is our Chief Minister, our beloved Chief Minister. I would like to point out that the BJP
Okay, beloved Chief Minister. Mishra ji says beloved Chief Minister.
5% vote. One second.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
let
Then
me
one
complete.
little question.
5%
Mishra ji,
vote
one
in
little question
2016.
before I take this to
They have
Rakhi and then
had a-
Tausif will also come in.
please.
Mishra ji, will she contest also from Bhawanipur?
Well, this has not been decided.
I will give
I
you the
don't
answer.
think so. Nandigram has been finalized. Nandigram has been finalized. He shall be contesting
Okay.
from Nandigram. But let me point out, BJP has got an artificial rise. So all the vote that they had in Lok Sabha election, it actually came from the left. And so therefore, whether they pit in Shubhendu Adhikari or pit in Dilip Ghosh or maybe Amit Shah himself may contest or Prime Minister wants to contest, it's all fine for them. Let them decide. But it is a very poor on their part that they actually have to bank on the deserters, those who actually were part of the Trinamool. And so that shows that the poverty of BJP organizationally, politically and electorally, of course, they are no challenge to us.
Rakhi is responding to you.
Well, now can I come in? Yes. Let me.
Yes.
I want uninterrupted 1 minute. Bangla Niger make a chai. Why is Mamata Banerjee, the beloved Chief Minister, running away from her own turf of Bhawanipur? Let me give you a few points. First, if you are talking about the Vidhan Sabha constituency of Bhawanipur, you know that it consists of 70% non-Bengalis. Mamata Banerjee has been fighting against the non-Bengali. She has raised a Bengali versus non-Bengali issue. She knows that. Now let me give you a few figures of 2019 Lok Sabha elections, and I'm talking about the Bhawanipur Vidhan Sabha Assembly. Just hold on. Ward number 63, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Those wards TMC had lost. Mamata Banerjee had a slight lead in ward number 82 because that is Bobby Hakim, Firaz Hakim's ward. In ward number 77, total Muslims. It is from there that she won by 17,000
Okay.
votes. In spite of that, wait 1 minute. In spite of that, that particular Bhawanipur area was won by TMC only by 3,100 votes. Why? Because she was banking on her Muslim votes, her milching cows, and right now she knows that the milching cows are going somewhere else. That is the reason she is running towards Nandigram. Now, if that is her karma bhumi, I
But
would
Abhi
like to
Mishra
say
ji
it
says,
is not
Rakhi,
her-
that we
it
haven't
is not her
finalized. The
karma
TMC
bhumi.
is putting out their list
No,
tomorrow. But what about the BJP?
No,
Pratikrit
she
or
has
SK Datta,
declared-
either of you gentlemen can come in, then Tausi will take you on. You know, Pratikrit, why is the BJP not telling us that, you know, much like what Gaurav Bhatia wants us to believe that he's a disciplined soldier, fine. But in principle, SK Datta or Pratikrit, tell me, do you think this should be a fight of Shubhendu Adhikari versus Mamata Banerjee? SK?
Of course, it should be a fight between Shubhendu Adhikari and Mamata Banerjee. Shubhendu Adhikari is the Parak
Okay.
Chele of Nandigram, Shingur. Didi joto koro Nandigram, Banglar Janta bole Didi Palan. The reality is like people of Bengal, they don't want you anymore, no matter how much you scream at the top of your voice about Nandigram. The stake for Trinamool Congress is much, much higher in relation to Nandigram than what is for the Bharatiya Janata Party. First and foremost, Didi is running
How is
away
that
from
true?
Bhawanipur.
SK, how is that true? Then Tausi will take you on. Because you know the BJP, Tausif, has actually based its entire poll plank on the fact that Mamata Banerjee is on a shaky ground. But at least they have announced, SK, that Mamata Banerjee is contesting from Nandigram. The BJP hasn't done that.
Can I complete it? Why I say
Yes,
that the stake
yes,
is
it's
high.
a-
Tausif, hang on for a minute. Hang on for 30 seconds, please. Let me finish. After that, you can counter.
Okay,
Stakes
complete
for
your point,
TMC
SK, then
is
Tausi
much-
will rebut.
stake for TMC is much, much higher in relation to Nandigram because of few factors. One is like, as Rakhi has mentioned, that Mamta Didi is running away from Bhawanipur. She has to answer that. Second is like when she had thrown out the Tata Nano from Shingu Nandigram area, she had promised a lot of things to the farmers and to the rural people there. How much compensation was given to the farmers?
Okay.
Nothing is there on record. Was the land given back to the farmers? Nothing is there on record. You know, what has she done for nascent industries to spring up in Nandigram, Shingur area? Nothing is there on record. Together with that, those people who had died in the left violence, what punishment did she give to the culprits from the left? Nothing is on record. In fact, she had taken back the culprits from the left into Trinamool Congress after coming to power.
Tausif,
You know, those
Tausif.
barbaric people who had committed the heinous crime, they are today a part of TMC.
Your turn is over. Now the charge that
Tausif
BJP
is responding.
makes is that the charge that BJP is making is that Mamta Banerjee is on a shaky ground. That is a false charge. Why? When Mamta Banerjee chose to fight from Nandigram, when she suggested and when it was accepted, it shows a display of strength, a display of courage to take on the opponent head on. Because on one hand, BJP has been projecting Subhendu Adhikari as their most prized, defector, someone who they project perhaps as a deputy chief minister candidate or perhaps a chief minister candidate. Therefore, when there is going to be a battle between Subhendu Da versus Mamta Banerjee Didi, Didi is a person of a nature who tries to take her opponent head on, and therefore
Why is she running away from Bhawanipur then?
In fact, why is Subhendu Adhikari running away from Nandigram is the question. Why BJP is taking so long?
No,
to
see, you know,
declare
both
Subhendu
the sides,
Adhikari
much as Tausif what Rakhi was actually outlining here, that the reality is also in what happened in Bhawanipur. But let's get in Pratikrit, Professor Manojit Mandal, who both haven't spoken, then I'll get in Shubhankar also. But you know, Pratikrit, this is a question that will then go out to the BJP. The BJP has put all its eggs in just one basket. That is Subhendu Adhikari. They never thought that Mamta Banerjee will land up in Nandigram and announce her fight. Now that she has, isn't so much now at stake for the BJP, Pratikrit?
Deepthi, first of all, I don't know what BJP will do, but let me tell you very frankly that elections are not won through prestige battles in one constituency. It is about the number of seats you win. So if Mamta Banerjee comes in Nandigram at that and it becomes a prestige battle, and if they pitch Subhendu Adhikari or any other powerful candidate, then it helps in pinning down, perhaps from BJP's perspective, pinning down Mamta Banerjee in that place, and her ability to campaign in other 293 seats may come down. So that is one aspect of it.
But likewise,
now, I don't know whether
for Subhendu Adhikari.
Let me just
likewise for him also.
Let me tell you.
Will apply
so
to
that
him
is
also.
Exactly. So that is the question mark, because Subhendu Adhikari in the Jungle Mahal, and I'm sure everybody knows about it, whether they agree on it or not, that's a different issue. There are several constituencies where Subhendu Adhikari in the Jungle Mahal is very influential. It might create an impact. Now, the second part is Nandigram also is not going to be an easy cakewalk. I'm not going to get into those, industry and all that. Just Manojit, that 10 seconds, then you can say. In Nandigram, what is going to happen? ISF, Indian Secular Front, is going to give a candidate, and it has a 35% Muslim population. So if you look at Abbas Siddiqui and his allegiance to the Furfura Sharif,
the Furfura Sharif angle here comes in.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So there can be a division of Muslims also over there.
Professor Mandal, so what are the calculations that Mamta Banerjee has decided, worked on before she announced her candidature?
Now, Pratikrit.
Yes, Professor Mandal.
No, first of all, let me answer.
Yes.
I'll be quite blunt and direct. Why BJP is not declaring their candidates? They are waiting for the TMC to declare their candidate, and many of the TMC MLAs who are not actually working or functioning properly are not going to get the tickets, and BJP will again drag them in. That's the simple reason that a national party claimed to be the biggest
So Gaurav
party
Bhatia
in
is
the
waiting.
world,
Gaurav Bhatia is
seems
waiting
scared of
that
declaring
when
their
will Om
candidate.
Prakash Mishra announce
Manojit,
the
it's
list of
about the
candidates
number of
tomorrow
seats
and they
somebody
will
wins.
begin
It hardly
poaching.
matters what happens
Is
in
the big
Nandigram.
allegation.
You have to understand that it benefits BJP
Yes.
if they pin down Mamata Banerjee in
You are
Nandigram, because it's all about
even-
the 294 constituencies
Good
and not
point.
one
The
constituency.
BJP is-
Let's understand.
I
You are intelligent enough to understand this.
BJP, yes. BJP is actually, BJP is actually waiting for the rubbish from the TMCs, as they have already taken a rubbish. You talk about Rajiv Banerjee, he is
Manojit,
not
that
even
list
a
is not
para
to do with
leader, I tell you.
elections. Let's
Rajiv Banerjee
understand.
not even
2019
can
they got a
crowd
40%
500 people.
share. You have to
500
respect
men.
that.
He is not even a para
No.
leader. Shubhendu
Getting
Adhikari, you
angry is
talk
not
of
going to help
Shubhendu Adhikari,
elections.
he has no influence beyond 3 or 4 constituencies. Go to
That
his,
is not a reality,
rallies
Manojit, that you
beyond
know very well.
Midnapur. Not
Whether
even
we agree or
500
not, that's
people.
another issue.
I
We
challenge.
know the level of
I
influence he
know the
had
reality.
during
You
TMC
people-
when
you
he
don't
was
even
part
have
of
any idea
TMC.
about where Singur and where Nandigram is. You know, one of my good friend is talking about Singur, Nandigram. They are geographically two distinct localities.
I am not
Don't
talking
have
about
any
Singur,
idea
I
about
talked
the
about
topography of
Nandigram.
Bengal. You
I
talk
never
about
said
Bengal
Singur.
politics.
I'm only talking about
saying
Singur.
Rajiv
I'm
Banerjee-
talking about
Pratikrit,
Nandigram
you
only.
have to give to Professor Monojit because he makes a good point. He makes a good point, Gaurav Bhatia. I want you to respond to that. Then Om Prakash Mishra will also come in. Gaurav Bhatia, you're waiting for the TMC to announce the list tomorrow. And he says then you will pick up the entire rubbish and then you will announce your list.
Absolutely.
So, Deepika, I
You'll
must
see the rubbish
compliment
is going
you.
to BJP again. The
Okay,
rubbish
can he
will
be
go to
quiet,
BJP
please?
again.
Okay, let
Can he be
Gaurav
quiet?
respond. Professor Mandal, let him respond, please. Yes.
Okay. I must compliment you, Deepika, that suddenly you are equally quiet and passive as Arnab. And I am happy to see that there are 4 either spokespersons or sympathizers of the TMC. And they are getting a vast
You know, Gaurav,
majority
it's
of time
good
from
when we get bashed by all sides.
Yes.
It means,
No,
Mishra
I'm
ji,
not
we are
bashing.
doing our job
Why?
right.
I have a smile on my face.
Yes.
Why should I be bashing you?
You can
I
bash
think
us,
you're
no
doing a
problems.
terrific job. No, I don't want to. My battle is not with the media.
Okay,
We
but
have to
the
defeat
question,
Mamata
the question,
Banerjee.
Gaurav.
Yes, so please now don't interrupt me. I patiently waited for my turn. First of all, I don't think these are signs of confidence that the TMC Gundas are attacking the convoy of Naddaji. They're attacking Suvendu Adhikari. They're attacking an old woman whose only fault is that her son is a BJP worker. And please tell me that today TMC leader MLA Hamidul Rahman was threatening voters. Do you think Mamata Banerjee is contesting this election from a position of strength? No. She is a very weakened, nervous and jittery Mamata Banerjee, and she knows her days are numbered. Second, I heard a panelist say that Mamata Banerjee takes the opponent head on. I must say, he doesn't take the opponent head on. Rather, if the opponent is the BJP, the worker's head is gone. That is the sad part. There are 130 brutal murders in West Bengal of the BJP workers, and justice has not been meted out to the family members of these people. Now, third, I want to ask that if Suvendu Adhikari ji is giving such a tough fight to Mamata Banerjee that she feels she'll have to change the constituency, that itself shows that on the ground, it is Suvendu Adhikari ji's influence that is working. And you know the reason? Because the divisive politics of Mamata Banerjee, pitting Hindus against Muslims, Bahari versus within the state citizenry, is the kind of politics that Bharatiya Janata Party will get rid of. Tolabazi, Gundagardi, lawlessness, these are the election planks that we will be raising. And when the list comes out, it will be very clear that a very confident BJP will boot out, with the blessings of the people of West Bengal, a corrupt, a communal government headed by Mamata Banerjee. Thank you.
Okay, Gaurav has patiently spoken. Mishra ji is responding. Then Shubhankar Bhattacharya will also speak. Mishra
Equally
ji first.
smiling and patient, my friend Mishra ji. Head gone, not head on.
Well,
Yes.
I am very I am very impressed by the enthusiasm of some of the BJP supporters. You should all realize, just because Amit Shah ji and Modi ji loves or has started loving Shubhendu Adhikari, that doesn't make him the leader that you think that he is. It is very unfortunate that some of the people here, they do not know where is Hooghly and where is East Midnapur. And then as Professor Mondal also pointed out, that if you can't tell the difference between Singur and Nondigram, these are not the same area. Somebody mentioned that Nondigram being part of Jangol Mahal. So all this is very rubbish. It is better, it is, since you are all going to be involved with Bengal and speaking on television,
Mishra ji,
it is better to be prepared. Secondly, I would tell you
a direct one.
No, please, Gauravji, let me first. No, first let me finish, and then you ask me.
Please, please.
All right.
Mishra
Secondly,
ji,
I would like
please,
to point out that
Complete yourself.
electorally, BJP does not represent a challenge. I am telling you again. Electorally, BJP does not represent a challenge. They represent a challenge politically, they represent a challenge ideologically. It is the Nagpur ideology that they want to foist here in Bengal, which people of Bengal are going to overwhelmingly reject. Now, Shubhendu Adhikari is in a bind. I know it very well that Shubhendu Adhikari is the most unhappy man today in BJP because of the challenge that has been posed, and now some of the BJP leaders are themselves conspiring and making him insist that he should be contesting from Nondigram. He wanted a reprieve. He possibly is not getting a reprieve.
Now can I respond, Mishra ji, and I have a question for you.
Now Mishra ji is making a big charge. I will allow Gaurav. Gaurav to respond. Shubhankar ji, then I will come to you. But Gaurav first. Yes, Gaurav.
So Mishra ji, just hear me out.
Gaurav ji respond to this.
Okay, I think the nervousness of Mamata Banerjee is writ large for the reason she starts questioning even the Election Commission of India. And you said Nagpur ideology. Last that I checked the map of India, Nagpur is part of India. So is it better to have a Bangladeshi ideology, the Rohingya ideology, which Mamata Banerjee believes in, or have an ideology which is very much part of India? And let me say this with some pride. Do you know that when it comes to development, central government has been extending all help to West Bengal, but Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi not implemented in West Bengal. 75 lakh farmers deprived in West Bengal.
No. You were going to ask me a question, Gaurav. Now you have started lecturing me.
When I'm done.
No, you said that you are going to ask a question. Where is your question?
Please, Mishra ji, I will ask you one question. And I
where is
will
your
ask you.
question? You are not.
My question is simple.
There was a question to you. You are not responding.
You tell me.
You are bringing in.
Please.
You are bringing in.
Mishra ji.
Why are you insulting Amit Shah?
Why
are you insulting Modi ji? What Modi ji has done? Modi ji has not been able to defend the country. Modi ji is not in charge of the border.
Cyclone, 2,700 crores were allocated to West Bengal. Do you know? Mamata Banerjee could not even furnish the account. High Court, Kolkata High Court ordered CBI investigation. The government moved the Supreme Court. Why? Are you afraid of transparency? मैं कहूँगा आपसे जय श्री राम, आपको नफरत है जय श्री राम से, क्यों भाई? इंडिया का कल्चर आप जानते नहीं, सिविलाइज्ड आप है नहीं, ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं। गलत बात तो ये है कि आप पार्टी के नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट को कहते हैं नड्डा पड्डा मैं भी कहूंगा ममता शमता अच्छा लगेगा नहीं लगेगा
आरएसएस के हेडक्वार्टर का हम लोग
I will tell you lawlessness prevails in West Bengal and the government's days are numbered. ममता बनर्जी जाने वाली है, रोक नहीं पाएंगे आप जितना भी चिल्ला लीजिए।
बॉर्डर नहीं संभाल पा रहे, फॉरेन पॉलिसी नहीं संभाल पा रहे।
मुझे बताओ ना, मैं आपसे जो पूछ रहा हूँ, दिनेश त्रिवेदी जी, he left. Why did he leave? Please tell me.
आप जब बॉर्डर की बात
अरे नंगा, आप ऐसे शब्दों का प्रयोग मत करिए।
ये मत कीजिए।
कौन नंगा होगा कौन नहीं होगा ये तो आपको सेकंड में को पता चल जाएगा। ऐसा ना हो कपड़े बांधने के लिए भीख मांगनी पड़े
नंगा कर रहे हो
और वो रोहिंग्या नहीं देंगे। The Indian citizens will give you clothes.
इनका
You
कोई
covered
वोट
your
नहीं है। ये
duty.
कैसी बात
Do
है,
you
गौरव
understand
जी?
that?
ये तो आप बीजेपी के सरकार के खिलाफ बोल रहे हो।
Gentlemen.
आप बता रहे हो।
I asked you a
know that
question
you are
on
talking against the
development.
BJP
You
government.
got
You are saying that the BJP
Team-
government at the center is important, that they are
Why you
ineffective,
shouting?
that they are
I
not
don't
in a
know,
position
sir.
to control
I
the
think
modern
you lost your
movement,
cool.
that they are not in
My
a position
question
to
has rattled you.
control
You are
our
disturbed
defense,
now.
that they are a failure in foreign policy, that they have not been able
Pradhan
to
Mantri
stay the
Kisan
tide of the
Samman
Okay, Mishra ji, we'll debate about foreign policy also. But right now, this is the big Mamta versus Shubhendu fight. I'm just requesting both Gaurav and Mishra ji to bear with me because it's already 9:30. Shubhankar hasn't spoken yet.
1 second.
Let's please listen to him, Pratikrit. I know you also want to come in. Rakhi and SK have also been wanting to come in. But Shubhankar, let me just twist the question. I want to know if actually Shubhendu Adhikari is nobody. No. SK, please. Shubhankar hasn't spoken. Please let him at least put out his opening comment. Shubhankar, if actually Shubhendu is no one, why does it take Mamta Banerjee to actually fight from the Nandigram seat? You could have gotten anyone else.
Thanks for even remembering that I'm even a part of this debate, first of all. And it's already 30 minutes gone. And I'd literally love to put across that there is basically a science behind raising a rhetoric, and that is through a repetitive dialogue. When you raise the repetitive dialogue that the Jai Shri Ram is being hated over there, and your Rohingya and all those issues, So this is how you're establishing it actually, and that is what the BJP supporters have been doing till date.
Arey, but you
Now,
answer
let me
my
tell you the
question now,
fact.
Shubhankar.
Why not Nandigram? That is also the question. The Nandigram, the land acquisition issue was supported, right? Now the basic question, what lies over here, that it is the same Shubhendu Adhikari who wants to go to the public, whom before he joined the BJP, he used to go to the public with support, against of CA and NRC and rest of the issues. Now he will be supporting all those issues. Now he will be going to the public in support of those issues. So the moment you turn your stand towards the policies, the question is the Bengal public is going to understand the change of his policy, this thing, or is it like the Bengal is not going to buy it? So that is the thing. As a political analyst, I'm being very fair enough with both the things. You called me a political analyst, I'm being very fair. So it is going to be a
I'm
question
confused. I'm confused at your answer.
Are being accepted by the public or not.
Rakhi, have you understood what he wants to say?
No.
Why are you confused?
One thing I have understood.
I haven't understood what he is wanting to say.
I have understood what he wants to say. He wants to say, Mamata Banerjee, let me remind him, it was Mamata Banerjee
now he will
who
go in
wrote
support of
on the
CNNRC.
popularity
In support
of
of those
Shubhendu
policies.
Adhikari from
So is
Nandigram.
the public going
It
to
is
accept
his
it?
home turf. Mamata Banerjee is an alien there, and nobody from TMC has answered to my question. Why did Bangla run away from her own God?
Just speaking
Why
with
did
raised
she run away
finger
from
doesn't
her
make you
own
right.
God?
Number one.
I'm
And you
asking
very
you
well
one
understand
question.
that
Just
what I'm
listen.
speaking about.
Just listen.
It is about change of stand towards the policies. Is it going to be bought or not? Will the public buy it? Will the public buy it or not?
Why can't you, as a political analyst, you should be telling me, why did she run away from her own God?
Come on.
She's Bangla
Come on, what are you talking
why
about?
Why did she run away from
What are you talking
Bhawanipur?
about?
Yes, I am talking, I'm asking you a question. Why did she run away from Bhawanipur?
Modi can stand in an election from two constituencies.
She said she's not standing from Bhawanipur.
Modi can stand
So is she contesting? Shubhankar, before I take it to Monojit Mandal and SK, Shubhankar, are you telling me that she will still also contest from the Bhawanipur seat?
No, she will not. No, she will not.
Will she, Shubhankar?
She has already expressed her interest. Now the decision
she
is
has said
up to the party, but she has expressed her interest at least. You can hear that she has expressed her interest.
Okay.
No, you're lying.
Okay. Monojit and SK Datta.
I'll tell you one thing.
Party's decision to take.
आती है ना वो जंगल की तरफ भागता है. That is what Mamata Banerjee is doing.
Can I just make a clarification? Deepti, can I make a clarification?
Come on, don't drop the...
Pratikrit, 1 second. Monojit first, then SK, and then I'll get in Pratikrit also.
What is this?
I'll reply to her. Yeah.
Arey, Shubhankar.
First and foremost, Mr. Monojit Mandal, do not distort what I said. What I had said was like Mamata Banerjee has to answer to the people of Shingur. She has to answer to the people of Nandigram about the promises which she made. I know very well where Shingur is, and I know very well where Nandigram is. I can teach you the geography of every locality of Bengal. I do not have such low level of IQ like the way TMC has in relation to history and geography. The other day when I had exposed you all in Republic TV on the slogan of Joy Bangla,
unfortunate part of the story is that you people are not aware of this, that the case was won in the Supreme Court. And let me reply to this lady who is obsessed with the idea why Mamata Banerjee is not contesting Bhawanipur, so that she can beat this betrayer, beat this Mirzapur from Nandigram. The only motive to get this person into the fold, to teach him a lesson what he has done to the people of Nandigram, what this person has done to the people of Bengal by betraying the trust of this honorable lady called Mamata Banerjee. That's the simple reason she has.
Okay, so that's a big charge. That's a big charge, SK, that Professor Mandal is raising now. He says Mamata Banerjee here, Pratikrit, could also be playing the victim card, because she will say ultimately that, see, I nurtured this man, I gave him so much space, he enjoyed so much trust, Pratikrit, and then he backstabbed me.
For betraying her trust. That's the
Well,
simple reason.
you know, Dipti, first of all, let me make a clarification.
So that
Yes.
political
Dipti, first of all, I never said Nandigram is part of Jungle Mahal. What I had stated, with due respect, Mishra ji, that I stated that Suvendu Adhikari in general is very popular in the Jungle Mahal. Now, if you think that I don't know where Nandigram is, that's a different your problem. I know where Nandigram is, in which subdivision it is. I know very well. I have gone there and stayed several days during the 2007 violence that happened there. I went to cover it. Now, let me tell you, Manojita, just 2 minutes. I am not fighting with you. Let me tell you this. Oh, Manojita, please. Are Manojita, give me 1 minute, Manojita. Now, so far as this issue of that people are leaving TMC and joining another party is concerned, look, in 1999, TMC also emerged out of Indian National Congress. That's a reality, and everybody who has been a stalwart, who had been a very critical role in playing, in creating TMC, had their political career initially in Indian National Congress. That is a reality. So that is something people of this state will decide whether they agree to it or not. But let me tell you one thing, that the presumption that everybody who is not representing TMC or who are individual, independent analysts, they are all ignorant. That attitude does not help. I am not representing a political party. If this casting aspersion on those,
please.
Casting aspersion that we don't know anything. Oh, you are nobody. You don't know where Nandigram is. This attitude is not going to help. Reality is, this is a difficult contest for all political parties. Let's face it. For BJP, it's not a cakewalk. For TMC, it's not a cakewalk either. It's a hotly contested election. But the presumption.
SK, who has more to lose? Then Tausif will also come in. I want to understand, SK, who has more to lose now?
First and foremost, I had asked in my initial remarks why she is running away from Bhawanipur. She knows that she is going to lose there. Second is like when she goes to Nandigram, the promises which she made to the people of Nandigram, she has to answer that. The third is like the promises which she had made to Shingur, she has to answer that. The promises which she made to Kuch Bihar, she has to answer that. The promises which she made to Jhargram, she has to answer that.
Mishra ji is responding to you,
Being the
SK.
Chief Minister of Bengal, she has to answer all this. And before you talk about Nagpur
Yes, fair
ideology,
point,
first
SK.
talk about their Rohingya ideology,
Mishra
which
ji
you
is
have
responding.
stolen from
Gaurav
East
Bhatia is
Pakistan,
closely
from
looking at his papers.
Bangladesh.
I don't know where, Gaurav. You have to be attentive to the debate. There are big charges being leveled by both sides, Gaurav. But Mishra ji first.
Can I
disrupt anybody? I would like to wait for my time.
Mishra ji, yes.
I will not take your time. I will not take more than 30 seconds. You are all asking why she is, in your views, running away. It is just like, asking Modi ji in Banaras that why he is running away from Vadodara, right? So therefore, these are
Oh, you remember the
very
Rahul Gandhi story?
ineffective way of
Mishra ji,
putting
you're such
across
a
a
seasoned
point.
neta,
Right.
sir. You know what happened in
talking,
Amethi,
I
right?
am talking of
You know
Narendra
why he
Modi.
contested from
You do not have
Wayanad?
to bring in Rahul Gandhi here. The question is, see, your people, they should be well prepared. They said that he was leading by 3,100 votes, 26,000 votes. Bhawanipur is a small constituency. You should know. You should know what is the size of the Bhawanipur constituency, what is the vote percentage in a typical Kolkata assembly constituency, what is the size of Nondigram. Basically, Shubhendu Adhikari is in a spot. BJP is not decided at all. He is pleading that he should not be fielded from there, but BJP now has no way. But then they have to field him, and he is going to lose very, very badly. Very, very badly. It is 26,000, last time, not 3,100, that some of the panelists were talking about. They do not know at all, and that they are sitting here on the panel.
Gaurav Bhatia, somewhere Mishra ji has the news. He says Shubhendu Adhikari himself does not want to contest from that seat. He's got some insider information.
Yes, let me respond to a charge that has been made and an artificial equivalence that is being created by saying that Narendra Modi ji contested from 2 Lok Sabha constituencies. What they forget is that Narendra Modi ji did not make his announcement to contest from Varanasi because there was a desertion in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Rather, the outcome was that because of his persona and his influence, the Bharatiya Janata Party got 73 seats in Uttar Pradesh. Now, today, a statement has been made that Shubhendu Adhikari is a deserter. Do you know the Congress party feels the same for Mamata Banerjee? And somebody said she'll be contesting from both the seats, Nandigram as well as Bhawanipur. So I just want to wait till tomorrow to see whether that statement is true or not. Please, Mishra ji, you need to relax and take a chill pill. I'm giving you a lot of respect because I want to give you respect. Please don't make me feel as if I'm wrong if I'm respecting you. Please.
No, that is all fine. I'm not interrupting.
I just want to say people...
I'm not interrupting
so please,
you. Go on.
So please don't interrupt me. It disturbs my chain of thought. Please. I just want to say people of West Bengal feels Mamta mein nahi hai shamta. Please, ab gaddi khali karo. Bharatiya Janata Party ki sarkar aa rahi hai. And the real battle and politics in West Bengal is that it is politics of Muslim vote bank. You remember ममता बनर्जी ने क्या कहा था? अरे बीजेपी हिंदू का वोट बैंक लेगा, ओवैसी मुसलमानों का लेगा, मैं क्या केला खाऊंगी? अब आप केला खाओगी या अकेला रह जाओगी, ये तो वक्त बताएगा. लेकिन मैं एक बात कह दूं, this communal politics has to come to an end. Every citizen is equal and development is entitlement of every citizen. And this is the kind of change that we are ushering, and we want West Bengal to see the real development that Narendra Modi ji has been doing in India.
Spokesperson wants communal politics to be
मैंने नहीं कहा था, ममता ने कहा.
I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
कहा था कि मैं केला खाऊंगी.
Thank you.
अब उन्होंने क्यों कहा था केला खाऊंगी?
Communal politics नहीं होना चाहिए. Communal politics नहीं होना चाहिए. बहुत अच्छी बात है.
तो क्या communal politics होना चाहिए?
बोल रही है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. बीजेपी कह रही है जो communal politics नहीं होना चाहिए. अरे थोड़ा तो शर्म करो.
दबा के
पूरे देश को दोस्त को बर्बाद किया.
ममता की तस्वीर निकालूं.
मुमताज
ममता यूं
गुजरात में दंगा करवाया, बंगाल में दंगा करवाना चाहते हो और बोलता हो
हिंदुओं को आप कहते हैं
बीजेपी का नाम है
चमड़ी उधेड़ देंगे.
बीजेपी
ये मिश्रा जी किसने कहा था?
बीजेपी इसीलिए
दूध देने वाली गाय है. अरे बैल का दूध निकालेंगे क्या? बैल का दूध निकाल रही है ममता दी. उन्होंने कहा था, हमने नहीं कहा था.
ये क्या हो रहा है
मिश्रा जी? उनके शब्द है मुसलमान वाली गाय है. इंसानों की तुलना आप जानवर से कर देंगे. कैसी ममता जी, बहुत गलत बात है. ममता दीदी से कहिए ये गलत बात है. दूध निकाल रही है. मुख्यमंत्री
Gentlemen, just take a deep breath. No.
ও এইরকম করে ছবি দেখা চলে
One second. No. Let's pull back. Let's pull back. I want to get Tausif and Rakhi. You know Tausif. Tausif and Rakhi. Tausif, what did we hear from Shubhendu Adhikari? He says.
नहीं करूंगा। ये क्या हो रहा है? आपने कैसे दिखाया मुझे? कैसे मेरा मुंह हाँ करके दिखाया आपने? मैं ये अलाउ नहीं करूंगा। Anchor, I strongly protest. What is this? What is this happening? What is happening? What to do?
ममता बनर्जी की गलत बातें बोल रहे मेरे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के
मेरा
खिलाफ।
माइक ऑफ करके
ममता बनर्जी की इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है।
हाँ करके दिखा रही हो।
शुभेंदु अधिकारी जी
शर्म करो।
हरा के दिखा देंगे। अरे शर्म तो आनी चाहिए ममता बनर्जी को। हम उनको सूप नखा बोले, ताड़का बोले सूप नखा और ताड़का दैत्य बुलाती है लीडर्स को। हम लोग को भारी बुलाते हो। हिंदुस्तान की जमीन हमारी है।
Gaurav, pull back, please. Gaurav, let's maintain the decorum, please. Gaurav Bhatia, I'm requesting you.
मेरा माइक बंद करके
Gaurav Bhatia, I'm requesting you to pull back. Mishra ji, your mic is on. We can listen to you, sir.
Anchor,
No, we can listen to you, sir.
नहीं आप मेरा एक
We can listen to you, sir.
Now I am asking you, Anchor, it is your
बोलिए, sir.
responsibility. आपने क्यों मेरा माइक ऑफ करवाया और क्यों मेरा डिस्टॉर्टेड पिक्चर यहाँ पर रहने दिया? आई एम आस्किंग यू एज एन एंकर,
ममता बनर्जी के एंटेना में सिग्नल
अरे नहीं, Gaurav Bhatia, the question is for me. Gaurav Bhatia, please. Gaurav Bhatia, please do not speak out of turn. Mishra ji, we are facing some trouble with your line. Mishra ji, we are facing some trouble with your line. I don't have your video, sir.
We are not going to allow you.
Mishra ji, please relax, sir.
I have already told you earlier.
Mishra ji.
नहीं आपने ऐसे क्यों किया?
Relax. I still am facing that trouble with your line, sir.
टीवी चैनल ने ऐसा क्यों किया? मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे।
अरे Mishra ji, what kind of charges are these, sir?
I want.
We don't have your video output. We are facing some trouble with your line.
I have got a charge against you. I have got a charge against Republic TV. You are not supposed to do this. You cannot distort my face. You cannot put a stop
Arey
on my
Mishra
mic.
ji, you should listen to the other side also, no Mishra ji? We are listening to you. We are facing some trouble with your line, sir.
नहीं
No one has switched off your mic.
मेरा distorts. अभी आपने क्या किया?
If you can hear me, sir, you can finish your point. We have a better line with you now. Yes. Please understand, technology sometimes does play spoiler, sir.
I am pretty sure of difficulties, technical glitch, but I will not condone any attempt on the part of any channel to either distort or, for that matter, to put the mic on hold or stop. And to the extent that it has been done,
no one has done that, sir. Mishra ji,
secondly,
no one has done that.
I would like to tell you, I have
no one has done that. Let me assure you.
BJP. I have complimented BJP spokesperson. No, I have complimented BJP spokesperson. He says, let us put a stop to communal politics. My charge has been, entire country charge has been, farmers are saying, students are saying, Punjab is saying, Delhi is saying that BJP is the party that banks on communalism. That is the party that has brought in the hatred ideology. That is the party which actually is trying to distort West Bengal. And you know, communal riot करवाते हो, लोगों का खून करवाते हो, हिंदू मुसलमान करवाते हो, खाली पाकिस्तान और चीन और लाज शर्म होनी चाहिए बीजेपी वाले, लाज शर्म होनी चाहिए। अभी सब जगह पे आप लोगों को दुत्कारा जाएगा, सब जगह से आप लोगों को खदेड़ा जाएगा, सब जगह से आप लोगों को भगाया जाएगा। आपका ये हिंदू मुस्लिम पॉलिटिक्स बंगाल में नहीं चलेगा, नहीं अलाउ करेंगे। आरएसएस नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पर आरएसएस नहीं चलेगा। आपका सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फेलियर है। तुम लोग तो बहुत बड़े गुंडा हो। यहाँ पर बंगाल में गुंडाई मत दिखाओ। बंगाल में हम लोग गुंडाई बर्दाश्त नहीं करते हैं। बंगाल में हम लोग अलाउ नहीं करते हैं। बंगाल में कम्युनलिज्म नहीं चलता है। बंगाल में आरएसएस का झंडा और डंडा नहीं चलेगा। ये बात को अच्छी तरह से जान लीजिए। यहाँ पर दंगाई की राजनीति मत करो। यहाँ दंगाई की राजनीति मत करो। बंगाल में अलाउ नहीं करते। हम लोग नहीं अलाउ करते हैं। हम लोग यहाँ घुसने नहीं देंगे आप लोगों को। आप लोग यहाँ पर
I promise you, BJP government will be formed in West Bengal. The gundas of TMC will be put behind bars. इतने डंडे पड़ेंगे, आप सूजन देख के घबरा जाओ। मेरी बात याद रखना।
आप लोग
बहुत डंडे पड़ेंगे।
हिंदुत्व पॉलिटिकल प्रोजेक्ट है और डाकुओं का प्रोजेक्ट है, वो नहीं चलेगा। हम लोग नहीं मानते हैं। आप लोगों को हटाया जाएगा, आप लोगों को हटाया जाएगा, आप लोगों को भगाया जाएगा और आप लोगों को यहाँ पर हम लोगों को कोई यहाँ पर जगह नहीं देंगे। आप लोगों का जो कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स है, आपकी जो आरएसएस की पॉलिटिक्स है, आपकी जो करप्शन है, आपका जो इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन से नाक कटवाया भारतवर्ष का, यहाँ पर नहीं अलाउ करेंगे। बंगाल में अलाउ नहीं करेंगे। आप ये हिंदू मुसलमान करके कुछ नहीं होगा। काफी दिनों से आप लोगों ने किया है। बंगाल में आप लोगों को मुक्की खानी पड़ेगी, बंगाल में मुक्की खानी पड़ेगी। अरे 1000 करोड़ रुपया लेके आ जाओ, लोगों को खरीदने की कोशिश करो, चार्टर प्लेन की राजनीति करो, कुछ नहीं चलेगा। यहाँ पर हम अलाउ नहीं करते, हम लोग अलाउ ही नहीं करते भाई साहब। आरएसएस को हम लोग अलाउ नहीं करते। तुम सुनार बांग्ला की क्या बात करोगे? उत्तर प्रदेश में कर लो ना, हरियाणा में कर लो ना, हरियाणा में कर लो ना, गुजरात में कर लो ना। एजुकेशन का क्या रेट है गुजरात का? क्या गुजरात है? मध्य प्रदेश का क्या? मध्य प्रदेश में रेप में आगे हो, रेप में आगे हो। तुम क्या अंगूठा चूसेगी?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को
बीजेपी अंगूठा चूसेगी यहाँ पर बंगाल
सुप्रीम कोर्ट,
यहाँ पर अंगूठा चूसेगी मारा हो आप लोगों को। और यहाँ पर गुंडे मत लाइए, यहाँ गुंडे छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपको। हम लोग छोड़ने वाले नहीं है, हम लोग नहीं छोड़ते, हम लोग छोड़ते ही नहीं है। आरएसएस वालों को यहाँ पर हम लोग घुसने ही नहीं देते, हम लोग भगा देते हैं। और उत्तर प्रदेश की कम्युनिटी यहाँ पर ले आओ, योगी आदित्यनाथ की कम्युनिटी
के कॉन्वॉय में पत्थर मांगे,
मध्य प्रदेश
योगी आदित्यनाथ जी वांटेड टू कम, यू डिड नॉट परमिट।
गुजरात में क्या हालत है पता है ना? गुजरात में डेवलपमेंट
डिड नॉट परमिट। Have you read Constitution? Read Article 19 and show it to Mamata Banerjee.
क्या हो रहा है?
Show it to Mamata Banerjee. Beating the Ma of West Bengal is going to spell your failure. शर्म आप करिएगा और ममता बनर्जी।
Mishra ji, your video has frozen again, sir. We are facing a technical glitch. But just the last 10 minutes again have given us a sense of what kind of a fight this is between the BJP and the TMC, Mishra ji.
रिपब्लिक टीवी को प्रोग्राम
अरे किसी ने माइक बंद नहीं किया है, आप क्यों कंस्पिरेसी देखते हैं हर चीज में, मिश्रा जी? You have been speaking non-stop for the last 10 minutes, sir. Right now your video has frozen.
गुंडे कुछ नहीं पाएंगे आपका।
मिश्रा जी
अरे ठीक है गौरव, you and Mishra ji both have spoken. ठीक है, let me give the last few minutes to few more panelists who've been waiting to come in. Rakhi, this is just a trailer of what kind of a fight this is between the BJP and the TMC and why both the sides here have so much to lose.
Just give me
Rakhi.
10 seconds to speak non-stop. Just give me. Mishra ji is shouting about the technical glitch.
SK, I'll come to you. Rakhi hasn't spoken, then I'll come to Tausif also.
Mishra ji, you were talking about a technical glitch. Was it a technical glitch when Mamata Banerjee was abusing the Prime Minister, Nadda ji, and the Home Minister? Go and ask that to your Chief Minister. Number one. Number two, who are you to say ki ghusne nahi denge? West Bengal is one of the states, a part of India. Bad language when you are talking. Mishra ji, I did not interfere when you were talking. But Mishra ji, when you were talking, I did not talk. So do not talk. You were shouting about a technical glitch. If you have the guts, go and ask the question which I asked you to your Chief Minister. Who are you to say?
All right, Rakhi, I need to start wrapping up. But Mishra ji will take the last word of the debate. Mishra ji.
I strongly object to this kind of gunda language. होते कौन है? घुसने नहीं देंगे?
अरे गौरव भाटिया, 1 second. Mishra ji is responding.
West Bengal is as much part of India as any other state. How can you tolerate that as an anchor? How can you tolerate that as an anchor? घुसने नहीं देंगे। आप उखाड़ के फेंक देंगे।
Okay, only commotion. All right. right, Mamta versus Shubhendu. Raki and all gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are back on the other side with lots more. And yes, this is going to be one more interesting debate that we are getting to you. This is the IT department now speaking up on the raid on Bollywood personalities. We are debating that on the other side.